My name is Dr. Sharde Harvey. I'm a general cosmetic and implant dentist. I practice at 121 East 60th Street in Manhattan. I think I'm actually a perfectionist because my mom is a perfectionist. When I was a little girl, she would give me chores to do. She would teach me how to clean a room, let's say, and it would start by all these small little details of like filling up the bucket with water, cleaning agents into them, and having like a towel. She would make me get down on my knees and clean like corner to corner. That was her thing. And everything that she did, she showed me that she would do it perfectly. And so I think that I actually got that from her. After I did the work, she would check everything to make sure that it was like to her liking. So I think I actually got that from her.